Today I wanted to make a video about a tip that you can do to change things for yourself, and that's to make yourself healthy. Keep yourself healthy in the shop, working hard. I got a couple quick little tips to make your workday much smoother and easier, and it also actually improve your home life also. Tip number one is to have yourself a place to sit when you're not working on stuff and take a load off your feet. Just sitting down for 5 minutes here or there, or even taking a lunch break sitting down, will make a huge difference on how your legs feel at the end of the day. Tip number two is if you can get a mat or a rug or something like that and put it in front of your toolbox to help pad your feet so you're not standing on hard concrete all day, will make a big difference in the way your legs feel and keep your stamina up. Just doing these two things alone have made a big difference in my work life. My next tip is to have a good quality pair of work boots and then invest in a good quality insole. This will help keep back pain away, keep your energy high, and keep you working more efficiently. So by adding these tips to your workday will dramatically improve your life. I guarantee you when you get home from work, your legs will feel better, you'll have a lot more energy, and it'll keep you pushing through week after week, and it'll make your productivity levels go up, your profits go up, your paychecks will go up, everything, just by adding those small little tweaks to your work life. I'm Brian from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching my videos, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos. Thank you again for watching.